Okay, we're going to draw out this chart together. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make new colors by layering colors rather than mixing them in the palette. And so you can see that we're going to use about 12 different colors. We're going to identify those on our color palette. So I've got little X's here for us to know which colors we're going to do. If you accidentally do another color, it's not going to be that big a deal, but you'll want to make sure that you identify it properly. So in order to make this, you could transfer it from a tracing diagram, but in all honesty, it's going to take just as long for us to do it together. So I'm just going to have us use a ruler. So you're going to need a ruler, right? We're going to go 10 inches down from the top. So I've got my big block. I make a tick mark on both sides at 10 inches. So that it's going to be 10 by 11. Okay. And then I'm going to mark 1 inch down from the top. And that's where we're going to end up writing in the names of the colors. And then we'll go 1 inch over as well for writing in the colors as well over here. Okay. So this is the part that is kind of a pain in the butt, so I apologize. We're going to measure 1/2 inch and then leave a 1/4 inch space, 1/2 inch, and so on. That's the only way we're going to fit all 12 colors in there. So you're going to do 1/2, then 1/4, 1/2, then 1/4. So go ahead and do that on both sides. And we only need this for how many inches? Let me double check this for us. We only need it till 8.5. So let me double check that, make sure we're okay. Always measure twice. Okay, let's go to 9. So we have 1 color, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's where I made my mistake. Half an inch. There's 12. So do the same thing on the bottom. So pain in the butt, but it's okay. 1/2, 1/4, 1/2, 1/4. Feel free to, once you get the hang of this, you can kind of fast forward to the part where I actually get to drawing in the vertical lines. So I'm going to connect these. So I just repositioned it so that I could double check and be able to see it as I do this. I'm going to line up the tick marks as best I can. You can go ahead and even extend these up into the border. That's fine. I give you some guidelines for filling in your information. But also you can paint some pure color that way. One of my lines was a little crooked. I'm not going to worry about it. This is, once again, just for your information. Oop, I found a mistake. It's not a big deal because I found the tick marks, and then I'm just using a straight ruler. So you could fix, like I didn't fix my tick marks, but just making sure they're nice and straight. See if I can do this the right way when we go to the other side. So now we'll go ahead and do it the other direction. Just want to make sure I'm doing okay here. So I'm going to do 1/2 inch and same sort of thing. 1/2 inch, then 1/4, 1/2 inch, and then 1/4. See if I can do it right this time. Feel free to fast forward, to pause it as you need to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have all my colors now. So let's go ahead and try it on the opposite side as well. So at the end of this, we're gonna have like a nice plaid. Okay. So you're just going to go all the way down until you have 12 1/2 inch sections in both directions. So if you need to pause or stop it right now, that's okay. I'm just going to finish though. Looks like I messed up tick mark. Just wondering what was the issue. I promise you, I do not normally make you do something so tedious. If yours is a little off, it's okay. Don't freak out. I just felt like the other ones were just as laborious for you. Okay. So there you go.